Checking into Hong Kong through Cebu Pacific, guys. Bound to Hong Kong naman po tayo. Welcome to Hong Kong, guys.
First time.
For our first timers. Ano?
I mean, kumusta naman yung nag-double order yung food? Tayo na
Ang dami naming food. Malaki din airport nila actually. Kasi hub din to.
Welcome to Hong Kong.
Yes! Ang next goal natin ay makahanap ng ride to our hotel. Hello mga maleta! Narilito na ba kayo kung nasan kayo? Ay. Ayan. So let's find our way out. Pero kapalit mo tayong money, di ba? Need magpapalit. Medyo malamig. Fairness. It's 60 degrees Celsius. Around 18 degrees. Well, 60 degrees Fahrenheit. 18 degrees Celsius. So, it's a bit chilly. Checking in at the CTV Hotel. YMCA.
Bibili ako nito ha.
Marami
Tandaan mo
dyan.
yung design boy ha.
Sa Mongko.
Tapos i-switch ko ba nang mabilis lang. So gagawin ni Shin
Sa
siya
Goyard.
matutulog nang hindi niya hag yung Goyard niya. Kakabahan yan. Kakabahan niya.
Matanda nun po to.
Pagpapalitan natin yan sa
Kakabahan
Peking
niya.
Goyard.
Friend, same na same yung Goyard na bibili ko. Same design.
Friend, matatandaan ko to.
Lalagyan niya ng palatandaan.
First morning in Hong Kong. So ngayon, mag-discover tayo how to go to Victoria Peak. Yan. Medyo malamig ng slide. So now, we're gonna go to Central. So dito tayo pupunta. Yung red line
Yumate.
to Central.
So,
Victoria
pupunta
Peak
saan?
na yan.
It's 112 eh.
So red line tayo. Oh, nag-work. Ang ating Apple Pay. One, 2, 3, 4 stops.
Lahat na daan.
So we're looking for,
Ako
Taiwan?
nagpaparamdam na wait lang.
Hong Kong muna.
Muna.
Philippines muna in Hong Kong, tapos
lang
Taiwan.
muna, okay. Relax.
Actually, ano
Sabi
to?
niya, hey.
Chinese tour. So nasa J, we're looking for J2 exit, going to the peak. Tram. So going to Victoria Peak na.
Medyo marami rin lakad dito ah.
Actually, yes. Found it.
Big tram daw sa right.
Oh. Ayun yung mga skyline ng Hong Kong na nakikita mo from afar. Standard chartered.
America, oh.
Ha? Standard chartered. St. John's.
Para mag-break lang.
Kasi ang taas pa ba?
St. John's Cathedral. Hong Kong. Hey, we're gonna buy a ticket.
Yung dito si Ann Curtis, di ba? Tsaka si Kia, first bank.
Ay, oo, sa Madame Tussauds. So ito ay on the spot booking, guys. Hindi tayo nag-look, wala lahat. On the spot tickets.
Okay, we want to buy a combo ticket return for 3.
We gotta keep this one pagbalik.
Yeah.
Sabay-sabay.
Ito yung sa left. Oop, sorry. Ito, tatlo. For sure. Look how tilted you guys are. Sobrang tilted oh. We are here at the Peak Tower. Look at that. Shalom ba? Hi. For three? Okay. XLB. Yun yung unang gulay eh. First bite. Sarap. Masa naman? Legit. And salad. Ano yan?
Pork something.
Ay, ganda. Alam mo, pwede ka na mag-picture dito. Yan din yung makikita mo sa taas. Look at that.
Mấy ngọt ngào tình nhân. Mấy ngọt ngào tình nhân.
Ganda. Init. Look at that. So, yun yan. Yun yung walk na isa pa. Ayun o. So you can walk down
Alam mo, mas maganda yan.
the trail.
Tubing. May snow. Tapos tubing.
Actually better, no? There's like winter here. Mas may snow.
Wala ba dito ang snow? Dito sa Puerto Rico?
Dahil sobrang init, guys. At di tayo ready. Wala tayong shades. Maalsa tayo dito. That was a nice one. So cute.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming and try. Can I scan
Oh, sure.
yours? Thank you.
Thank you.
How much?
Oh, that's cute. Para antique store. Oh, old Hong Kong. Kaya nga, no? Tara. Picture tayo dun. That's cute. Diba? Ako nga tumatambay ako sa ilalim. Ginagawa akong kotse-kotse yun. Ay, mga lumang termos. Arinola. Ay, ang lumang TV. Oh.
Saan? Kayo.
Ang cool. Hello.
251, 250. So, yan yung total. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 15. Di ba ganun to, Bay?
Mm.
Ha? Pagkalingan.
Ang luma, no? Parang siyang antique. Interactive antique store. Mas nag-enjoy ako dito. Oh, nice! A teacher! Ayan, teacher kayo kunyari. Ay, teacher. Student kayo kunyari. Oh, isa pa. Oh, nakatingin naman dito. Kunyari, ay, nakataas yung kamay nung isa. Ang taas. Hindi, dalawa na kayo. Ay, hindi, kaya ikaw inaantok. Inaantok ka, tapos hindi siya nakataas ang kamay. Ayan. Okay.
PS3? Ay, may PS3 ba?
Huh?
PS3? Eh, di ba latest lang yan? Hindi naman. Ano sa mukha?
O, dali, kunyari bibili.
Next. Aula. Aula.
Ha? Bawal mangutang.
Bawal. Lalo na kung walang papaya. Aga-aga na ang mukha.
Ay, oo. May nabenta pa? Ay, hindi, ito. Eh, ito, magkano ito? Good morning. Old elevator friend. Oh, cool.
Parang may ano pa siya.
May pa-disco na siya.
Kaya pa. Okay.
Old MRT. Tapos pinakamalaki na ulit.
Oo.
Yeah, like yung unang-una. Ito yung keyboard niya.
Hindi pa sila sikat?
Like ito yung unang Apple computer. Mac. Kasi Macintosh, di ba? Yung mahaba. Kaya Mac. Okay, so we are done in visiting the peak, the Victoria Peak. And now we're just gonna be chilling inside a mall. Maybe get some snacks in 7-Eleven.
Nakatira dito. Pwede kaya natin tanungin sa ang ganda dyan, Si ChatGPT.
You got this tram line going down. We're gonna Uber instead. We're heading our way to Quarry Bay Station because we're trying to look for the Monster Building. Instagrammable. Kamusta naman yung the peak natin?
Masaya!
Okay, thank you.
Gusto ko lang yung mga ganyang trip.
Very chill.
Yeah.
Ayan. I think we're parang sasakay na tayo dito. Parang paloob.
Parang lobby.
Diba?
Ay, may gasboy din sila, oh.
Parang paloob siya. That's cool. You know what? It's better to walk here because it's cold. Diba? Compared to Singapore.
Masarap pa ng hangin.
Although the vibe is the same. So we're heading to the Monster Building. Viral Monster Building. Kasi malapit na dito eh. We've arrived to the Monster Building photo spot. She looks a little bit faded. The colors are a little bit faded and seems like they're reconstructing that part or repainting it. But yeah, it's still a tourist spot. There's a lot of people taking photos here. Sana magbabayad.
Okay, sarap mo na. You know, stop. In here, yung photo.
Nakakarating lang sa Mongkok, guys. Nakapag-shopping na agad sa GU. Ano ba? Yes, lagay lang tayo ng lagay. Bam! Bam! Boom! 903 HKD, y'all.
Pero di kasi siya hinahanap na magnet.
With magnet and pasalubong. Parang may mga dyan sa mga gilid-gilid eh. Meron din.
Friend, walang sales tax sa amin.
Made in Russia? Wow.
Snack lang natin to sa airport.
Tax-free to lahat?
Oo.
No?
Kaya mas wala dito.
Parang Madeline's.
Hello, welcome.
Hello.
This one have a 6 different paper and the every paper will have 4 pieces.
Four, oh,
Yeah,
okay.
then we have 24 pieces. It's the
Oh.
top sell in our shop.
Okay,
The best
this is the
selling
top,
in our shop.
top seller.
The premier
Just like-
is our signature, so that's when it's more popular.
Yung original eh.
What do you want?
Matcha.
Here. Kasi iba naman ako yung nagtitinda dito.
Mm. 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 Mm.
Oh, top buy, no?
Sarap. Madeline ba yun? Saan tayo? Ito? Dito na. Dito na mga Goyard at LV. Ito. Dito tayo. Ito yung Trader Joe's.
Hinahanap ko talaga yung Goyard ko, no? May I love you.
$10 isa. $10.
Now we're looking for a place to eat for dinner. So yung mga along the road lang here in Mongkok area. And this is the Changian area. Actually, parang gusto ko ng Herschel eh. Herschel. Knock off Herschel.
Sige, let's go.
Ano?
Gulay-gulay.
Yeah.
Ano yun?
Yeah, tara.
Let's go.
Ayan, no, may dumpling. Parang sarap niya. Ano ba yan?
This?
Yeah.
Thank
Pero we
you.
can really like, separate the...
Sarap. Winner din. Pala yung order natin, guys.
Masarap.
Napakalaking fish na mukhang napakasarap. Pati ang intestines na ito. Oh my gosh. Legit, legit. Yeah, yeah. May aftertaste. Wala. Nice. Alright guys, we just finished dinner. Sobrang busog. At ngayon ay mag-walk tayo para matunaw ang kinain natin dito sa Mongkok. Siyempre, dito tayo galing kanina.
So, papaganito
So pag ganito na tayo dapat. So we're going here. Ang cute ng small na bag. Honestly, it's a bit chilly. It's 18 degrees Celsius now. So that's around 60s Fahrenheit. But coming from Seattle, medyo kaya natin to. The cold never bothered us anyway. But look at that. Look at how cute these bags are. Ang cute naman nito. I like it. Parang takeaway bags. Lavabo. Look at that. Michael Kors bag. And all the other bags. Ha? Alin? Moon? Saan? Oh yeah. Alam mo kahapon pa yun maganda. Look at that. 10 pieces for 100. Pero ganda rin yan ah. Thank you.
How much is the big one?
180.
180 ah. How about small one?
130.
130? Ang cute. And the cats as well. Ano siya? Matigas.
Iyawa kami siya.